Ever wondered what it really takes to land a systems engineer role at Infosys, a company shaping the future of tech? Step 1. Nail the technical foundation. You'll need a strong grasp of operating systems, like Windows and Linux. Think about how they function, how to troubleshoot them, and how to manage system resources. Bonus points if you're familiar with virtualization and cloud platforms, like AWS or Azure. They're increasingly vital. Consider taking online courses. Next, it's problem-solving. Prowess systems engineers are the go-to people for diagnosing and resolving complex technical issues. This involves understanding system logs, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing effective solutions. Practice thinking systematically, breaking down problems into smaller, manageable parts, and working your way towards resolution. Then develop excellent communication and documentation. Systems engineers work with diverse teams and often need to explain technical concepts to non-technical people. You'll also need to document your work meticulously. Be prepared to write clear, concise reports, create technical diagrams, and effectively explain systems architecture. Next, boost your soft skills. Collaboration is key, so developing teamwork is essential. Be able to work collaboratively and be flexible. Learn to manage your time, prioritize tasks, and thrive under pressure. To summarize, excel in system administration, virtualization, problem-solving, and communication skills, team collaboration, and documentation skills. Infosys looks for engineers who are both technically gifted and well-rounded individuals. Your pursuit towards building the core of a job is about to begin. Good luck and start your engineering journey.